worked for Saint-Gobain for 40 years. I started with Norton Company in 1978 and been here ever since. My background was in ceramic engineering and ceramic science. I wanted to work in something that I felt would be beneficial to the country, beneficial to me. I wanted to work in an area that developed new products that I could be proud of. Today I am still very interested in science and technology, but I also realize that technologies in some ways have left me behind, but now I'm involved in a lot of the business aspects, the compliance aspects. I found that export control compliance was really a fascinating field. Now most people might roll their eyes about that and think that it sounds boring, but it really isn't. Having a technical background is very important. To be able to read the Commerce Control List or read the United States munitions list and understand some of the technology they're talking about, and also have a better idea of why these things are important to be controlled. It's not just multi-million-dollar fines. It's very important from a national security point of view to make sure that you export correctly and that the products are used for the purposes that you develop them for, and not for chemical weapons or nuclear bombs or things like that. And when I started off in engineering, I wanted to make products that would benefit the company and benefit the world. Maybe I'm not doing that anymore, but now I'm making sure that those products aren't being used for purposes that they weren't designed for.